Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to do another gadget unboxing in car. There is also another one reason why I do this unboxing in car, which you guys let you know in a minute. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's go into the video. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Rehan Hanar. I do a lot of gadget reviews, travel vlogs, 360 videos, what else, education videos, cooking videos, and lot. And if you guys are interested in any one of these topics, don't forget to check out my channel and stay subscribed for more related videos. So in this video, we're going to do unboxing of this 3.5mm Amazon Basics aux cable, which we can use it to like connect it to a speaker or an audio system to play music. So I have already made a review on this cable, braided aux cable. So I ordered this this Amazon Basics aux cable through one of my uncle. So let's see how does it perform, and let's see how is the build quality comparing to this braided cable. Without wasting any time, let's go into the full unboxing and the review. Okay, I have opened the seal. The box, like it came in a very simple cardboard box. Since it is Amazon Basics, so they didn't waste money on the cardboard or any fancy packaging. Okay, which is really good. And this is the cable, guys. It looks like kind of like what can I say, a power cable or power line cable. The quality is not bad. It's not super good comparing to this braided cable, but the quality is really good, guys. So this is a braided cable. So the braided cable, it actually prevents the cutting and all these things, so it will be more reliable. I hope this cable also will be more reliable. The main reason why I bought this cable is the length of the cable is too long. And since it is Amazon Basics, the quality will be really good. And also the third main reason, the price. So this one is, I think this cable is just kind of like 1.5 meter long, and this cable is around like feet long. So it will be so the people who are sitting at the back side, even if we are having a very big car like Innova or something like that, so in that case this cable will be much more useful comparing to this one. So that's the main reason why I bought this long cable. So this is just a 5-seater car, but if you have a 7-seater car or something like that, they can sit at the very back side and they can able to connect to their phone, and they can play the songs by connecting the aux cable to the front side. Yes, it does support. So that's the main reason why I bought this. Okay, so let me untangle it. Okay, I have untangled it. Let's see the length of the wire. Oh my god. Look at this, guys, it's very long. Okay, let me connect it to the aux cable, aux input, sorry. Okay, now I'm going to put it, so you guys can see, right, it goes till the back seat. I think for 7-seaters this cable will be really much useful. So that's the main reason why I bought it. So let's see how the length of the wire goes. It goes like this, like this, like this till there. So it will go on another seat length, guys. So if you are having a 7-seater, the length will go till that level. So don't worry about it. So that's all about the review, guys. Let me connect it to my smartphone and play a song and show you really quick. I'm going to test this audio quality of this aux cable just by connecting with just by playing a sample YouTube video and connecting to my car aux input. Okay, so even though the cable is long, wasting any time, let's go into the video. So as you guys can see, even though the cable is long, there is no drop in any sound quality or anything like that. Okay, so let's play it at the full volume. If you're a new subscriber to my channel, so my name is Rehan, and I do a lot of play. So as you guys can see from my face, the first impression of sitting into this chair was really comfortable, guys, after a heavy work of assembling the chair. So as you guys can see, that's the main advantage of using this aux cable comparing to this braided cable. So this braided cable doesn't even goes to this this to the second seat long, guys, but this Amazon Basics cable go a little bit of longer. So that's the main advantage. So that's the main reason why I bought this Amazon Basics cable compared to this braided cable, so which is by Boat. So so if you guys like have a 4-seater, then go for this braided cable. And if you guys want aux cable for a 7-seater car, then I would recommend go for this Amazon Basics cable. So that's all about the Amazon Basics aux cable, guys. I hope you guys like this video and find this video useful and informative. So if you guys like this video, just leave us a thumbs up and stay subscribed to my channel for more videos. And if you guys have any clarification about this wire, just leave a thumbs up and I'm glad to help you guys out. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Sorry. Okay, now I'm going to put it. I'm going to go into fishing now. Now you guys can see. So you guys can see, right? It goes till okay. So let me untangle it. Okay, I have untangled it.